Good morning, respected principal ma'am and teachers. I am sure all must have enjoyed the chirrup of a sparrow in childhood. Who does not want to open their eyes in the morning listening the chirrup of birds? So today, with the help of the short assembly, we would like to give a tribute to little beautiful melodious creature, the sparrow. Awareness of the house sparrow and then other common birds to urban environment and to threaten to their population absorbed on 20 March. It is an international initiative by the Nature Forever Society of India in collaboration with the Ecosys Action Foundation and numerous other national and international organizations across the world. The Nature Forever Society was started by Mohammed Dilwar, an Indian conservationist who started his work helping the house sparrow in Nasik and who was named one of the heroes of environment for 2008 by the Times of his for his effort. The idea of making World Sparrow Day come up during informal discussion at Nature Forever Society's office. The idea was in mark a day for the house sparrow to convey the message of conservation of house sparrow and other common birds and also mark a day of celebration to appreciate the beauty of common biodiversity which is taken so much for granted. The first World Sparrow Day was celebrated in 2010 in different parts of the world. The day was celebrated by carrying out different various kind of activities and events like art competition, awareness campaign and a sparrow professional and as well as interaction with media. The World Sparrow Day also has a broader vision to provide a platform where people who are working in the conservation of house sparrow and other common birds can network, collaborate, and exchange conservation ideas which will load which will lead to different science and improved result. It aimed to improve a meeting ground for people from different part of world to come together and form a process that can play an important role in advocacy and in spreading the awareness on the need of conservation common biodiversity or species of lower conservation status. Thank you.
Get ready for national anthem. मन अधिनायक जय भारत माँ अधिनाथा गुजरात गुजरात बनाता चले गंगा चले यमुना गंगा चले चले गंगा तब शुभ